This high-quality Avenger space heaters are designed, engineered, and assembled in the USA. The best space heater on the market. Avenger's dual-fuel ventless blue flame heater is built for durability and efficiency to keep your home toasty warm for many cold seasons to come. This compact, expertly built gas space heater gives you a reliable source of heat. It runs at 20,000 maximum BTU, which heats up to 950 square feet of living space. No electricity is required, which is perfect for keeping you warm during power outages. This space heater has patented dual-fuel technology, which allows it to operate on either natural gas or propane gas, without compromising function for beauty. This versatile gas space heater has been redesigned for a slimmer and efficient profile to effortlessly fit into your home. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Assembled in USA. The product is proudly assembled in the USA. Skilled American workers manufacture the parts, assemble, and test our products. Only high-quality materials and parts are used in the manufacturing of our products. Our factory features state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment. Number 2. Technology. 20,000 BTU patented dual-fuel technology using natural gas or liquid propane blue flame heater, which heats up to 950 square feet area. Number 3. Dependable. Thermostat control offers the most customizable heat settings, ideal for greater heat flow that could add to the warm atmosphere in your room. Number 4. Stylish. Without compromising function for beauty, this versatile gas space heater has been redesigned for a slimmer and efficient profile to effortlessly fit into your home. Number 5. Economical. 99.9% efficient with a vent-free gas burner. No outside duct or chimney is needed. Environmental protection and energy conservation, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How is this heater ignited? With electricity or battery? Answer. This heater has a push-button igniter. It does not use a battery or electricity. A gas pilot is where the pilot flame is located. This heater will have a standing pilot and will cycle on and off based on the setting you choose. Question number 2. Does this heater have a fan? If so, what makes it go? Answer. Yes, this heater has a pre-installed fan. The fan has a grounding type plug designed for 120 volt. The heater will still operate without electricity in case of a power outage. The heater does not require that the fan be on to operate. Question number 3. What are the dimensions? Answer. Product dimensions: 25.7 inches height by 18.46 inches length by 9.84 inches depth. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.